Hannah girl. Okay, look at me.
Wait.
Hannah, it's user.
Choose an activity.
Hannah.
Baon niyo.
That I just cleaning.
Hannah, naglilinis ng kanyang mga kalat sa kanyang party. It's your birthday!
Yeah.
Not yet over.
Not yet over.
Not yet over. Not over yet.
Big birthday bitch.
What are you doing?
Clean up
Good
the
job.
room.
Ay, nako. It's a mess.